As transitional rules can be complex, we curated a series of transition scenario videos to prepare you for the 8% GST rate change effective 1st January 2023. GST Transitional Scenario 4. Invoice amounting $1,000 with 7% GST issued before rate change. $300 partial payment received before rate change, and the system recorded the amount of $321 inclusive of 7% GST. Services performed after rate change. $700 partial payment received after rate change. In this video, the $1,000 invoice with 7% has been created on 21st of December 2022, and the partial payment of $321 has been recorded. As the balance amount of $700 was paid after the rate change, you will have to issue a credit note for the 7% GST charged. To knock off with the invoice, go to Returns and Credits tab, select the credit note and click Apply to Sale. Select the invoice which you would like to knock off and press Tab on your keyboard. Please ensure you have entered the correct date before proceeding to the next step. Once done, you may issue a new tax invoice to charge 8% GST on the $700. Please ensure you have chosen the 8% tax code and select the correct customer, date and account before you click Record. Thank you for watching this video.